Hi guys, welcome back. So today, I've already done my face, my eyebrows. I just used the Tarte Tinted Moisturizer because it's hot out and I'm gonna be going out and about doing stuff. So, gonna sweat. Don't want to have to worry about my foundation looking all wonky because of sweat. But anyway, we're gonna move straight into our eyes, and today's look, we are going to be using this one, the Huda Beauty Nudes. I love this palette. This one and this one are my absolute favorite palettes right now because the colors, for starters, like this is the Nirvana one, so pretty. But then the Nudes one is also like so pretty. I love rosy tone eyeshadows. Pink tones, they're my favorite right now. Well, they always sort of have been, but especially right now.